Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious sugar-free chocolate chip cookies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/4 cups of almond flour, 1/2 cup of a granular sugar substitute, and 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter. Also, have 1 large egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips ready. These are the building blocks for your tasty treat. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and your granular sugar substitute until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the room temperature egg and the vanilla extract until they are well combined. Finally, gradually add the almond flour, mixing until a soft, cohesive dough forms. Be careful not to overmix. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto the prepared sheet, ensuring you leave about 2 inches between each cookie for even baking. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Your sugar-free chocolate chip cookies are now ready to enjoy. For an extra twist, consider adding 1/4 cup of chopped nuts or shredded coconut to the dough next time. To keep them fresh, store your cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. They're perfect for a guilt-free treat anytime. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.